Hey, what up YouTube? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's unboxing video is going to be on the Samsung DeX docking station. And I'll just show you. Unfortunately, I did a video on my multi-unboxing, and during the video I already opened it up. Came through Amazon. It is the Amazon renewed version of it, not the new one from Samsung. If you want the original brand new docking station through Samsung, it's gonna cost you like $75, and I went the cheap route and I got the renewed version, basically refurbished, and it's Amazon renewed. It comes in just a cardboard box, but it comes with the same stuff. Anyways, let's get to it. So obviously, it comes with your paperwork on how it works, yada yada. The docking station itself, let me open it up for you guys. Where's the front side? Alright. There you go. So it closes, and on the front side you could see there's the front side, because the back side is going to have all the USB type A ports on it, the Ethernet jack or the Ethernet cable port, and the HDMI port, and the type C charging cable port. So the front side, you're just gonna press down on it and then pull the trigger. It's gonna pop right up. Inside is a Type C connector for your Samsung phone. I'm currently recording on my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, so I cannot give you an example of one inside of it, but it's basically gonna stand upright. That is the docking station itself. Inside, it came with the plastic bag, and this is the fast charging, let me get this right, adaptive fast charging wall mount connector in this plastic bag. There you go. I already got about 3 of these. So I'm either gonna sell it, give it away, or just keep it just in case I break or lose one. And it also comes with the Type A to Type C cable connector. One connects to the wall mount adapter, and the other one connects to your phone if you want to use it for your phone. But it connects to a docking station. And that's pretty much it. That's all there is to it. And I'll be making a review video, or just show you how I connect everything and how my Samsung DeX setup is. And thank you guys for watching this video. Like, subscribe, dislike, comment. Now it's the end of the video.